This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my liquid foundation. And in this one of my other videos I have a recipe for the base. So I'm going to make my base. So the first thing I want to put is 2 teaspoons and 2 tads of cerussite mica. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the let's see, what's 1 tad? That's half a teaspoon. I need my teaspoon. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of cerussite mica, and this is my little coffee grinder I get from Hamilton Beach. So that's 2 teaspoons of cerussite mica. And I'm gonna put 2, and oh, I'm sorry, plus 2 tads. And I closed it, never mind. Okay, then plus 2 tads. And this is only going to have to blend for about a minute. Okay, and then the second thing we're going to put is 2 teaspoons and 2 tads of titanium dioxide. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. And then 2 tads. Okay, and that makes your base. I mean, you can use that to make your own foundation. So that is your base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little piece of saran wrap over the top of this, and I'm going to grind this for about 2 minutes. Okay, now that that's done, the next thing I want to add is I'm going to add the color concentrate, which I also have a video on how to make the color concentrates. Okay, put that aside. And so I use these old makeup brushes for a lot of things. Just kind of helps get stuff out of the containers. Okay, I'm just going to knock this down. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to put in here is going to be my color concentrate. So I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of my beige concentrate. I use a lot of these little pill bags. They're perfect for storing eyeshadows and different loose cosmetics. Okay, so I'm going to put half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to blend that. We'll put the, where did I throw the saran wrap? Oh, all right, put the saran wrap back on top. And we're gonna blend this for about 3 minutes. Okay, now that that's blended, now we're gonna use this to make my liquid foundation. Now you can either leave this loose like this, and this would be your foundation, or I'm going to add some oils to it so I can make it a liquid. I'll just get this cleaned up a little bit. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So put that aside for the moment. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put is I'm going to put a couple of drops of vitamin E. Maybe 3. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to add, I have my little recipe here, is 3 mils of coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil. This is a 3 ml dropper, so this will pull out exactly the right amount of coconut oil. These 3 oils that I use are very lightweight and non-greasy. Okay, and so the next thing we're going to do is apricot. And we're going to put 6 mils of apricot oil. That's 1. And 2. And then the last thing we're going to put is grapeseed. And we're going to put 4.5 mils of grapeseed. You can use all organic oils if you want, or you can use just your natural oils. All right, that's 3. And then I need half. Okay, and that's going to make up your foundation. So all we need to do from here is just stir it and blend it really well. I use this, I really like it, for just a change up of doing either, you know, your liquid or your loose. Okay, once you blend all that together, that is your liquid foundation. And you want to make sure you kind of blend it enough that you get all the lumps out, so it takes about a minute or 2 for you to do it. But it's real easy. And then I put this in like a little jar or a squeeze tube. Okay, let's see if I can put a little bit on my arm so you kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so that would be my color. So I'm just going to rub that in. And this is like a beige, like a light beige. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions Cosmetics, and this is your liquid foundation. Okay, thank you.